హోప్ మీరు దీపావళి చాలా చక్కగా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుని ఉంటారు అనుకుంటున్నాను. నేను కూడా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫ్యామిలీ అందరితో సంతోషంగా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకున్నాను. బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దాట్ మేబీ పాస్ట్ 10 to 15 days కొంచెం హెల్త్ బాగాలేదు. దట్స్ ద ఓన్లీ రీజన్ వై ఐఎమ్ నాట్ కమింగ్ అప్ విత్ న్యూ ఐడియాస్ ఆర్ న్యూ వీడియోస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. అండ్ పోస్ట్ దాట్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ కీపింగ్ అప్ వెల్. కొంచెం ఇప్పుడిప్పుడే హెల్త్ సెట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి. అండ్ డిసెంబర్ ఆల్రెడీ ఎంటర్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ ప్లానింగ్ మై డిసెంబర్. జనరలీ నేను ఎవ్రీ మంత్ స్టార్టింగ్ అంటే ఎవ్రీ మంత్ రాకముందే as soon as I get the salary, the day I get my salary, I plan my budget. And same అదే డే నైట్ ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని చక్కగా కంటెంట్ ప్లానింగ్ కూడా ద నెక్స్ట్ మంత్కి నేను చేసుకుంటాను. బట్ ఈ మంత్ I thought I'll just share whatever I do every month, like planning with you. And ఈ మంత్ కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్గా ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను నేను. అదర్ దాన్ బడ్జెట్ ప్లానింగ్, ఈ మంత్ నేను కంటెంట్ ప్లానింగ్ని యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ వాంట్ టు కీప్ ఇట్ మోర్ విజువల్ సో దాట్ ఇట్ కీప్స్ హాంటింగ్ మీ అండ్ రిమైండింగ్ మీ దట్ దెర్ ఆర్ సమ్ టాస్క్ దట్ నీడ్స్ టు బి డన్ అండ్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ డెడ్ లైన్ దట్ ఐ నీడ్ టు అచీవ్ అని. సో ఇలా చేద్దాం అని చెప్పి ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు యాక్చువల్లీ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ ఇన్ న్యూ వే. సో లెట్స్ సీ ఈ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ సక్సెస్ అవుతుందా ఫెయిల్ అవుతుందా అని. సో I'll keep you updated whether this particular method worked for me or not in the next month. But for the month of December 2020, let's get started with the December plan with me.
So as I already told you that I am on an experiment. I just turned my whiteboard and started writing on the back of it. You can as well write on this front side of it. I am just trying to recreate the whole month of December on the board. Just write all the dates all the days of the month in grids. That's it. That's what I'm trying to do here. And while I try to do all this, you can see my daughter Anvi messing around. And I thought that's okay. She'll definitely enjoy helping her mom, right? Instead of watching any other cartoon things, right? Okay. I'll just give you a quick tour of what I'm actually doing here. Number 1, I replicated the calendar having on a big board. Like I just replicated the calendar here on a big board. Number 2, once I'm done with calendar, I have written down my tasks for each day. Basically, I have only written down the mega tasks here, and whatever should be done on that particular day is out there in front of my eyes. I just want things to be very, very visual. I don't know, that just inspires me actually. That's the reason why I just want to experiment this way for the month of December. So once I spent 10 to 15 minutes writing down everything on the sticky notes and just assembling it or sticking them to the board, it just looks like this. It's really awesome, right? How do you feel, guys? So that was all about my task planning. Like all the tasks I'm sorted out. But let me tell you, this is what actually I do every month. First, it is my content planning. For my content planning, I just pick out this regular planner. This is a DIY planner I just made for myself. I'm using it from Jan 2020 this year, and I must say that I'm proud that this year I committed to myself and have been doing this, and the book is almost over. I just started doing it and I love the process. So in this content planning calendar, I'll tell you what I'm trying to do. First, I'm planning out my content for my Insta profile. I generally post financial tips and very motivational facts every day on my Insta handle, which is @Annapurna Meduri, and post reels also, but twice a week. Make sure you watch my handle, which is Annapurna Meduri, so you can see that all the dots in this planner are posts and all the stars in this planner are the reel uploads. So coming to content planning, I actually segregated my content planning into 3 categories. Number 1, it's blog. I have 2 blogs actually. One is called as onestepfornow.com and the other one is parentingmantras.com. So I have 2 blogs and I need to develop content for 2 blogs. And other category is my podcast. Yes, I do have a podcast which is One Step For Now, and it is live on Podbean, Spotify and Google Podcasts. You might have to go and check it out because there is a very good content that I'm putting out in the market of podcast. I'm loving that work too. And number 3 is YouTube channel, and of course that is where you're watching me right now. So what I'm actually planning here is I schedule majority of my work to weekends, like on Saturday and Sunday, and in the weekdays I just write few articles for my blog, and that's it. And I have also planned for my just chill days, like that. Those are the days. So my just chill days are the days where I just chill and watch YouTube, or just learn something, or just do whatever I feel like on that day. Like I have such days every like 2 days in 5 days. Like that's pretty good. That I'm happy that I've planned for my free time also. And most of the work actually gets done on Saturday and Sunday. So that's how I plan and make things work for me. So we are heading towards the third and last segment of this video, where I promised you that I'll show you how I plan my budget every month. So my monthly budget planning is pretty simple. First, I write down my monthly salary. Say for example, my salary is rupees 50,000. I split this into 5 accounts. Number 1, it is necessities, wherein all my expenses for groceries, rent, power bill, internet bill, etc., all these things go into necessities account. So I just transfer that certain amount into this account and use it only from there. The second account is LTSS, which is long term spending account, wherein all the expenses for my sudden repairs at home, be it for lights or plumbing, electrical, any kind of repairs, everything goes into this category. And also the purchase of any new household items and any tour planning, all these things I plan before and accumulate and make a fund out of it, and then from there I use it. And the third account is child account. This is very close to me, which is my daughter's account. In here all I use this account to spend for all her school fees, toy purchases, anything related to her goes and comes out from this account. The fourth account is FFA, which is financial freedom account, and in this account only money goes in, and if any money comes out I use it only for reinvestment. That's basically financial freedom account. And the last account is fun account, where this account I use the money only for our entertainment and to purchase any clothes, all such things. Basically this account is actual fun account, where we just spend the amount, and we just don't think about it because we have planned the amount only for spending. So that's how I plan my budget every month. So that was all about my task planning, content planning and budget planning for the month of December 2020. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Insta handle @Annapurna Meduri. #. Okay, bye.